As the world changes, the innovation never stops. To embrace the era of smart manufacturing, technology is the power to change the world and lead to the future to embrace changes in manufacturing. Tianxi Technology works to provide integrated solutions for the real economy and help traditional industries to shift towards smart manufacturing and to help more companies reshape their strength amid stiff competition.
助力中国发展新型智能制造产业，节能减排和环境保护，帮助更多企业实现新的效率水平，开辟新的增长道路，交付新的客户体验。我们致力以给客户提供高品质的服务，帮助传统企业实现效率、品质的双赢。
After tireless exploration of leading technologies, Tianxi now offers integrated solutions for smart manufacturing, including planning, automation, the Internet of Things, industrial cloud, big data, mixed reality, predictive maintenance, MES, ERP, and PLM. These features have helped chase valves, increase efficiency, and reduce production costs.
工业2.0时代，1000台阀门需要25人花1周的时间才能完成。现在天星科技为我们提供了柔性智能制造生产线，现在1000台阀门只用6个人1天时间就能完成。
According to Chase Valve Group, processes of each business unit, Tianxi created a series of solutions involving every process and the entire life cycle of products. From ordering to product design, from the purchase of raw materials to finished goods, and from storage to after-sales services. How to help corporate decision makers make informed decisions is a big challenge. In response, Tianxi has developed big data-based platforms for them.
领导驾驶舱为我们企业提供实时的报表，实时跟踪生产进度，为我们企业提供了很大帮助，能够提高效率，提高市场竞争力。
Business executives can check data on storage and sales and make responsive changes as the market changes. For example, when sales fluctuate in a region, he can send sales representatives there to discover new opportunities. In the past, sales staff had to carry piles of documents and product samples. Now, with the help of Microsoft HoloLens, clients can see all kinds of industrial valves by wearing MR glasses to discuss and share their demand with sales staff.
We often need to communicate with the experts located all over the world, and HoloLens is the smartest way to do this. So we can share our knowledge, we can discuss about the problem, solution, design, everything, and with HoloLens we can do it. So we think that we can improve our products and our work efficiency through HoloLens.
When clients decide to make purchase, they can place orders on the official websites in bulk. Also, they can offer their particular requirements on products, and the system will produce the best plan for product delivery. Smart storage solutions, when properly set, can ensure the flow of goods and orders, and it helps prevent wastes and mismatch of resources. Production lines for smart manufacturing. In the era of Industry 4.0, production demand higher efficiency and also meet the changing demand in the marketplace. The intelligent factory system can help make production more flexible combined MES, ERP, and WMS. Build a reliable and efficient platform to ensure transparent and standard production and a project implementation. Guided by MES, AGV works as planned by delivering parts to CNC machines. At the same time, MES monitors the production by CNC machines, and with iPad, workers control mechanical arms to put raw materials into machines. The production lines can reduce labor costs and prevent man-made errors. Predictive maintenance. Every sensor can upload data of equipment to the big data platform for analysis. With help of AI and machine learning, data is studied and models are built for predictable maintenance. Irregular downtime can be reduced, efficiency increased, costs reduced to design better products. Industrial Cloud. Tianxi Industrial Cloud is big data based, backed by IaaS. It is a platform for intelligent manufacturing. Also, it combines SaaS to provide one-stop services. Chase Valves is a good example of Chinese companies shifting direction. They respond to the call for Industry 4.0 and work to build intelligent factories. Going forward, Tianxi will continue to put people first and provide more value for clients. From purchase to logistics, from storage to production, from sales to predictable maintenance, it will produce quality smart products and seize the moment to drive the transformation of Chinese businesses and help them grow stronger. From made in China to design in China, Tianxi will help more businesses leverage their innovation capacity and deliver more products and services to countries along the Belt and Road countries and local residents.